welcome back to Magnolia, the first group botting channel on YouTube. If you're new here, my name is Jack. Make sure to subscribe down below and hit that like button, it means a lot. As always, we have a lot of fun in store for you guys today. Not only do we have live cops from 4 major releases this past month, but we also have a very special announcement, so make sure to stick all the way through this video so that you can see what we have in store for you. Anyway, without further ado, let's kick it off with the Yeezy 700 Bright Blues.
Checkpoint. Main shipping method.
I'll hit another one.
Damn, Dashy's cooking.
Yeah, Dashy.
Dashy.
3. Code, yeah, pop off.
Let's go. I just say Yeezy's manual undefeated.
No way.
I swear to God.
No way.
Let's go, baby. No way.
So as you guys were able to see in that last clip, I was actually able to check out a pair of the Yeezy 700 manually using Notify's monitor, their Shopify monitor. Undefeated was set to drop at 8 a.m., but they ended up dropping at 10 a.m. Without any notice. While I was going through their sites, I saw the product pick up in the monitor, and I was able to click the add to cart link and check out manually super easily. So I've actually been in Notify since around December of 2019. When I first started, I was basically struggling to get one or any pairs per release, and through the help of Notify, their support members and everything, I've become a lot more advanced and experienced where I can get almost around 30 pairs per release now. Jack and myself are actually staff members of Notify. Basically what we do now is help people get from where I started to where I am now. Anywhere from beginners to advanced people trying to expand their setup even more. As a team, we are happy to announce an official sponsorship with Notify, and we can't wait to bring you guys more content. Thank you.
Oh, hit on Ganesh. Nice. Oh, card on Sigma. Hit on Sigma. Nice.
Oh, we hit on Sigma.
Sigma. Let's go.
Hit another one on Dix.
Sigma.
Oh shit. I hit two.
Hit.
For you and for me. Oh my god, bro. Again. I just hit again on Dix. Dude, I've hit 12 on Dix.
Alright, so obviously that UNC4 drop went really well. Unfortunately, I was not able to record with the rest of them, but you already know, of course, I had to secure a pair as well. Off camera, I secured around 20 pairs with Matthias and Ryan around the same. We were close to 70 checkouts on this shoe. It's an amazing shoe, so we were really happy to hit that many pairs. Matthias killed it on linear, Prism killed it, every bot was just amazing. It was a great job overall. Quickly moving on to the next segment of this video, I just want to show you how insane Sigma bot is really quickly. So the day of the Yeezy 700 Bright Blue drop, I woke up to over 90 pairs of the barely green low Jordans. As you can see here, it was absolutely insane. They all shipped, and Sigma hit me almost a 100 clip literally in my sleep. I sold all of these for around $20 profit. You can do the math. It was a great margin. I was able to move them all to one bulk buyer.
And I just wanted to show you this because it's really crazy just how good Sigma is and the fact that you are literally paying off this bot in your sleep. Anyway, enough of my talking, let's move on to the Yeezy 500 ENFLAME drop. Got the little pop-up window.
Like you lost another one.
And you hit.
Hit.
Carded. Hit. Same copy.
Oh, I carded on mech. I hit on mech.
Hit. Moving.
I think it's how many salts there is.
Oh, that makes sense. So,
I just got a payment token. Oh, I just hit. Okay.
If it is, that's actually. Hey, it's gone. Guys, go look at my hook. It's gone. Oh.
So the Yeezy 500 ENFLAME drop went very well. I only secured 5 pairs, but Ryan was able to get over 26 pairs, which is absolutely mind-blowing, and it really shows me that for the next drop, I need to scale up my Yeezy supply setup. And without keeping you guys any longer, before I go ahead and end off this video, I just want to give another huge shout out to Notify. We're very excited for our sponsorship. They're an amazing cook group, and if you are not already in a cook group or you want to get into the best cook group possible, make sure to stay watching our videos. Hint, hint, there may be some opportunities to join Notify in the future. Alright guys, we'll see you later.